So what is it that creates cultural regeneration? Do we have any interest in that? Cultural regeneration, societal regeneration. What regenerates our culture? Seems like an important question. Did we give up on it? Oh, that's just impossible. We're all going to hell in a handbasket. Is that where this is at? Or we all deserve what's coming to us. That's another one, right? Yeah. Or we screwed up so bad that we're like beyond hope. There are all these kind of dark dystopian ways of thinking about ourselves and our future, filled with impossibility. Of course, it's hard to think about the world out there as impossible without having that reflect on your own life. What a way to live. So if you will entertain, at least for a moment, that there is the possibility of cultural and societal regeneration, however it might happen, whatever the steps towards that might be, how would it happen? What could create that? I think there's a lot of evidence that it doesn't happen without spiritual regeneration. It doesn't happen without shifts in consciousness and ways of thinking about things and philosophy. But then that has to go to something that we can only say is of a spiritual nature. There's a reason for that. And that is because our intrinsic nature as human beings is spiritual. We're not just ideas. We're not just beliefs. We're not just political systems. No, we are spiritual beings, yes, having a human experience, but we also are having a spiritual experience. And when we own that spiritual experience as a human being, and we let that be fully activated through us, we are bringing something that is world-changing, that has profound impact, not only on us and in the creative field that we're immediately a part of, but ultimately it has a profound impact on the culture around us.